If 2a minus 7b over 2a plus 7b equals 2c minus 7d over 2c plus 7d, then prove that the quantities a, b, c, and d are proportional. All right, let's solve this step by step. We start with the given equation, 2a minus 7b over 2a plus 7b equals 2c minus 7d over 2c plus 7d. Now, we use cross multiplication. So 2a minus 7b multiplied by 2c plus 7d equals 2a plus 7b multiplied by 2c minus 7d. Now, expand both sides. First side, 2a times 2c equals 4ac. 2a times 7d equals 14ad. Minus 7b times 2c equals minus 14bc. Minus 7b times 7d equals minus 49bd. Now the second side, 2a times 2c equals 4ac. 2a times minus 7d equals minus 14ad. Plus 7b times 2c equals plus 14bc. 7b times minus 7d equals minus 49bd. Now, cancel the common terms. 4ac cancels with 4ac. Minus 49bd cancels with minus 49bd. So we are left with 14ad minus 14bc equals minus 14ad plus 14bc. 14ad plus 14ad equals 14bc plus 14bc, which gives 28ad equals 28bc. Divide both sides by 28. We get AD equals BC. Now, we can write A over B equals C over D. Therefore, the quantities A, B, C, and D are proportional.